Okay, so this was a rather technical part, and I get back to the big picture. So what can you do with this platform? As I said, three kinds of application can be developed on top of the Nuxeo platform. Of course, turnkey ECM application that can be developed by software vendors. They don't have to be open source because we use the LGPL license, so it's not, you can build proprietary applications on top of the platform. And of course, with Nuxeo Studio, it's quite easy for someone who's not a core Java developer to create business application with real value, with the business knowledge they have accumulated in their own experience into a given application. We can also, or you can also develop vertical or bespoke application using all the extension power of the Nuxeo platform. And the last thing, which is also quite interesting, is when you are a software vendor with your own platform, but you, for instance, an ERP or a CRM system, but you need at some point to manage document. Then it's possible and quite easy to use the Nuxeo document repository just as a service inside your own platform. So you have really two kinds of embedding Nuxeo with another application. Either you embed the other application inside the Nuxeo platform, or you use the Nuxeo engine and you embed it inside your other application. Since the main theme of this OW2 conference is the cloud, this slide is about our project, about the cloud, and all our projects in this respect evolve around the Compatible One project, which is sponsored and in which OW2 participates quite actively. So a first level of Nuxeo cloudification is to deploy Nuxeo on top of IaaS, of VM cloud infrastructure, such as EC2, for instance, or OpenStack, and also to leverage some of the additional services that you will find usually in these platforms, such as blob storage like S3. Second level of cloudification is to port Nuxeo on top of a Java platform as a service, such as CloudBees or such as Jonas, once the Compatible One project leads it to the point where it's usable for us. And in this case, for us, it's an R&D ongoing process is to use the OSGI module system which is already a characteristic of Nuxeo, to deploy Nuxeo on an OSGI cloud. So I think we are going to work on this in 2002. So here is the last slide of the talk, which is our roadmap for next year. So one of the main topics will be full OSGI support, to be able to embed Nuxeo and to run Nuxeo in any OSGI, any recent OSGI runtime, such as Jonas or such as everyone, Felix, everyone on the market, but also to leverage the new features that are being added to OSGI right now in relation to the cloud. Another important technical improvement is to support the new Java EE standard, the Java EE 6. Currently, we are aligned with Java EE 5, and with Java EE 6, there are many simplifications which will actually mean that it will be easier for developers to develop on top of the platform, using, for instance, CDI, the Java @inject annotation, which has been standardized as part of Java EE, or JSF2, which has a simpler model, or at least is simpler to use than JSF1. And then develop Nuxeo, keep on working on Nuxeo as a platform as a service. And that's it for this presentation.